Hello and welcome. My name is Suzana, I'm a 3D artist, and in this class we are learning together how to morph objects in Blender. You will learn how to change one cube into one icosphere, and not only that, but how to animate that change and how to render as the animation you can export to use later in your videos as stream backgrounds for your video intros or some similar projects. For this class, you don't need previous experience in Blender or any other 3D software. Just download Blender if you don't have it already, install, and you're ready to begin. We start right from splash screen. I'm using screencast keys so you can see what I click, what I press, and I will explain every step all the way. What you get from this class is experience in using some modifiers for creating interesting animations you can later use in your more complex projects, and also confidence in how to move around Blender, how to set camera, how to make materials, and all that within this very short and very easy to follow class. Let's begin.